Quick bonus addition to my Cobalt US General power strip adapter. Those are both, at least one of those is going to be replacing this outlet. This is an Ace Hardware branded power strip that has 6 outlets on it, circuit breaker on the end, and the cord here. And so I made this into a magnetic one. I've actually had this one probably in various uses, probably at least 15 years, give or take. So I've taken some abuse and yellowed on the plastic. And then on the back, to make this magnetic, I found some of the magnetic hooks that you can buy at Lowe's or Menards, and just put some screws through it, and then slid that through the little keyhole ports on the back to be able to use for this purpose. You can see where there's screw threads going through there, and then the screw there, so you just slide the bolt through and put it in. So that was my little home hack for making a magnetically mounted power strip before they actually made these commercially in a slightly more refined packaging. And this one's definitely seen better days. I've got some circuit issues on one of the ends, so this one's kind of failed now, but I definitely got my money's worth out of it after about 15 years worth of use. Can't fault this. Just time to get a new one because I've used and abused this one more than I probably should have. Have a great day. Bye.